The following video contains material that may be deemed offensive to some viewers. If you are easily offended, click off this video right now. Otherwise, sit back and relax. Viewer discretion is advised. Bandanas. You've seen people wear them all the time. All the time. You know, you see him at flea markets, you see him in the grocery store, you see him when you're trying to pick up dog food for your pet hamster. Alright, and you're wondering, how does one buy a bandana? That square piece of cloth with pretty ass designs on it that make you seem badass and sexy all at the same time? You know, there has never been a video that shows you how to buy a bandana. They just appear on people's heads and they walk around with them like, yeah, I'm a badass. Who wants to go to a UFC fight with me? Anyways, yeah, this video is going to be telling you how to buy a bandana and where to get them. And you know what? This isn't clickbait because the results aren't going to shock you.
It's cowboy time. Yeehaw!
As you can see here, we are in Tractor Supply Company, home of Redneck Paradise, and we found some bandanas, but $2.99 is a bit outrageous for a piece of fabric you can wear on your head. So we're not going to spend money here for a bandana. Hello, Kelly. How you doing, you sweet fine bucket of iced tea?
Side note, I would not recommend spending more than $3, if that, on a bandana because, you know, just a piece of cloth on your head to make you look sexy as fuck. Alright, now, anyways, yeah, if you see a bandana in a store for, like, say, $5.99, laugh! You're stupid!
Right now, we are in an arts and crafts store that smells like old ladies who cook fantastic holiday dinners. They have plenty of bandanas in multiple shapes and colors, but I like these. I call them the carnival bandanas. I don't know, they just remind me of carnivals, and see how they're $2.49, much cheaper than, you know, the Tractor Supply place of Redneck Paradise. And I might just get one here. In fact, I am. We're gonna get this one if I can get it out. Yeah, time to get a red carnival bandana in the old lady arts and crafts store festive holiday meals.
How you doing? Just a bandana. Want a back no, I'm off. Total is $2.49. $3? Thanks, man. I'm gonna Happy birthday, hookers! I hope this video taught you a lot about bandanas, where to get them, and how not to overpay for them. Because this video was probably more educational than any other video you would have seen in your freshman biology class. Make sure to like, subscribe, and do not try to give a skunk a fucking bath. Have a good night, you old sluts!